What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, Jasmy is a play that I've talked about maybe 5 or 6 times. I've talked about it on this channel. I've also talked about it on the NFA channel. The NFA channel is more turned to stocks, but I have talked about crypto over there as well. So, if you want some, more of your daily dose of me and my crypto conversations, feel free to go over there and you'll get some of that during the week usually. Nothing usually over the weekend. It all depends on how much I have to upload. Which today, get ready because I have about 4 videos to upload. And I wanted to talk about a lot of these things today, have these discussions. So today we're talking about Jasmy Coin. In this video, we are talking about this position because it's definitely growing on me. I've talked about making my initial investment and seeing where we were gonna go from there, seeing how it holds, if it holds steady at some of these levels, making an investment at a lower point. I'm seeing the initial buy that I have there, and I'm looking to, or I was looking to double down on this position, if not triple down on the position. And it's not saying that I'm going to absolutely put everything that I own in there. Like I'm going to, take out a second mortgage on my house or something. Like I'm not going to do all of that stuff to where I pull all the money out from my pockets and just throw it in, Jasmy coin. But I will invest to a certain extent to believe that I feel like I'm going to get some sort of value out of it. Now, um, there's a lot of different predictions that we have for Jasmy coin, whether it's multiple pennies or whether you get up to $1. But the point is that the unknown is what makes it very interesting, and the more that you have, the better your chances for higher gains, right? Obviously, but the point is that you're also risking a lot more. So anyways, I want to find that kind of level between, risking too much. I don't know what happened upstairs, but apparently Harper must have fell. But between risking too much, I don't think she fell because I don't hear her crying. So risking too much or getting to the point where you're making a lot, right? So finding that fine line in the middle to where I'm making a decent amount, and it's based on how much I risk. Anyways, that was a long way of explaining that. But let's talk about Jasmy Coin and talk about how much I have right now and the overall position and what I'm looking for expectation wise, not only by price but also by other detail that's in the underlying project. So hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the other links that are down there for Webull, for Crypto.com, for KuCoin. If you guys want to sign up, I get a kickback, you get a kickback. It's always great to sign up for a different platform and diversify your portfolios and don't just have it on one place, because if you have it in one place, you see what can happen with something like FTX or BlockFi or whatever. So be careful, make sure a lot of your stuff is safe and that you have some of your money on different platforms. Anyways, let's take some time to talk about Jasmy coin. If we look at Jasmy, it's currently at about a half a penny. Now, it's been hovering around this level to a little bit lower for quite some time. We've seen it at 0.004, and we've seen it up in the range of 0.006 or 7, right? We've seen it up in those levels. We've seen it at a higher market cap. But what are my expectations? Is it a good price to buy at these levels? I really do believe it's a good price to buy at these levels. Looking into the use case, looking into what the market cap can be, what the market cap will be during a bull run, it just makes sense. Ultimately, it really just makes sense. Currently, it's at a $241 million market cap, which may sound like a lot to a person coming in fresh, from the stock market or wherever they were investing to crypto. You're looking at $241 million, and you're like, all right, well, that seems like a lot. But honestly, it's not a lot. Looking at this position and how this has gotten to $1 billion market cap, you know that there's room for growth. Not only just looking at a 4x room for growth, but looking at much more than that. So volume wise, you're seeing about $41.6 million worth of volume. I believe that that can go a lot higher, especially in more of a bullish run. Understand this. In the crypto in the crypto market right now, we've seen more movement in Ethereum and Bitcoin, the top two cryptocurrency projects that are leading the market, right? We've seen those move. We haven't really seen altcoins move unless you had some sort of extra news on top of what we are seeing already in the crypto market. So with that being said, that there's a lot of room for altcoins to run, and not just altcoins as in anything besides Bitcoin, because Ethereum is running too, but altcoins like Jasmy coin, altcoins like Shiba Inu, altcoins like Terra Luna Classic, altcoins like XRP. They have room to run a hell of a lot more, and you just need to get to that level or get to that time period where we are going to see that run. And it's not right now. It may come this year, and I hope we see it this year. I believe we will. But if it doesn't happen until next year, until we fully get a handle on inflation, we understand what businesses are doing and where they're investing. I hope that happens, this year. But it could be possible that it doesn't run, like truly run, until next year. Um, but anyways, you're seeing a circulating supply of 47.5 billion coins, which is 95%. Now, from what I understand, they are going to do like a lock of certain coins, but I'm looking at it as the total amount because that's what I like, is everything being absolutely diluted. Not saying that it has the ability to be diluted while I'm holding, but being diluted before I get into it. And that's what I like to see, is the full dilution, the lowest price that it can possibly get to there. And if they are locking up coins, when we do see that lockup, it could create a higher price value based on the fact that you'll have an ability to grow to a higher market cap with a lower supply that's there, or a higher price with the same market cap because you have a lower supply, if that makes sense. But anyways, let's get into kind of the meat and potatoes of this video. Why you clicked on this video. I now have more Jasmy coin. I see the opportunity in where Jasmy coin can go, and I'm excited about the outcome of it. I'm excited about the industry, the sector, the Internet of Things sector, to say that this is going to absolutely blow up to a whole nother level. I truly do believe that. So I'm currently holding more Jasmy coin. If we go over to my Coinbase portfolio, you're going to see that Jasmy coin, I'm now holding 206,000 Jasmy. Now, what's the reason for holding this much? This is $1,000 worth. It's not crazy. I took my initial investment of 250 and I added, another, 3 times, or technically 4 times what that is, getting it up to $1,000. And the reason why I made this investment, why I wanted to kind of double down or triple down or quadruple down with this position, is because of where I believe it can go, the overall success of the sector, and also understanding the ability to grow so much more. Not only are you looking at a 100x, right? If you get to a level of 50 cents, not only am I looking at a 100x from there, I'm looking at a 200x to get to $1. So I'm, instead of looking at a $100,000 move, which would be great, and I do believe it can get there, especially with the circulating supply and all of that, and the fact that you're having a lockup and all of that. So can it get there? Yes. Can it get to $1? Yes. And that's what a lot of people are looking for, right? For it to get to some of those levels, but I want to secure a level lower, because is there a true difference between 100,000 and 200,000? Yes, you can say there's $100,000 difference, but from a substantial gain, right? If you're looking at a 100x to 200x, if I can secure a 100x and then know 100x and gaining $100,000, and then know that this will be a possibility to get to a 200x, then you have all of that room in between 100x and 200x to make whatever gains you wanted to make. So if I wanted to sell $50,000 worth, I can keep $50,000. And then what that does is end up doubling there. And now I have $150,000 because I gave myself the opportunity to collect that investment, or collect my initial investment plus profit, as well as see the rest grow if it does grow. If it doesn't grow, then I have $50,000 and plus whatever else is there. If it does grow and we see it skyrocket even more than that, well, now it's worth a hell of a lot more. Am I kind of, cutting everything off by splitting it in half at $100,000? Yeah. But the point is that you made a substantial gain from it. 50x there, or whatever, overall 100x, whatever you're looking to gain from that total. And you're able to do so much more with that money as you do have it free to you. Now you can put it in Ethereum, you can put it in Bitcoin, you can put it in whatever you want, as long as they're at reasonable prices. Anyways, guys, that's where I stand. If I wanted to have a different piece that I wanted to see improve with Jasmy coin, it would be the typical days of hold time. I have seen this improve a little bit because it was at 6 the last time I looked at it. Now it's at 8. So it's making moves up, and people are starting to hold on to this a lot longer. But you still have people that are getting in, getting out. You're seeing more day trades than you have swing trades or long-term investments. So that's something I want to see it improve. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think about Jasmy coin. Have you invested in it? How much do you have? I know there's people that probably have 1 million, and that's okay. That's great. But I'm looking to settle on this 200,000. I don't think I'm going to make any more investments anytime soon, but you never know. I could average down. I could have an opportunity where I have some free money somewhere, and I'll just throw it into Jasmy coin as well, which will be my next like bigger investment. So anyways, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos, and I will catch you guys in the next one. See ya.